Hi everybody, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing Bello's awesome trick. Bello, come back. Come here. And so this is Bello. And two of my guinea pigs are eating carrots right now. But, okay, so sorry, it's really cold, so I'm in a blanket. Yeah, okay. Oh, come. I hope you can see this. Sit. Circle. 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 Good boy. As you can see, that's his special trick. He's doing. Hey, Dodo. Dodo. Yeah. So that's them. That's their special trick, or that's his special trick. So yeah. Say bye, Belle. Come here. Come here. Say bye. Come here. Sniff the camera. Oh, pretty eye.